Alright, so riding down here wasn't too bad, although the road is in bad condition. I'm not going to go back the same way I came because the road is all rutted, and I ended up jumping over potholes and stuff and made me a little uneasy driving. But hit road down here just fine. You can see what I'm fashioned up here to get the GoPro camera on the bike. That's why you guys were looking at me upside down there on the screen. I hope that was okay. But this new heat shield that I put on here, this leather one that I ordered, it works great. Not getting near as much heat there, which is super important. But she drives good. Just a dandy. Alright, so we made it back home. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da. I had to remember how to get this thing out of the little case when it's in there upside down, especially. It's a little harder. But anyway, thanks for riding. I had to pop in a new battery. That battery wasn't fully charged when I went riding around, and, well, it was almost dead. So, oh goodness. I'll tell you, the ride was a bit rough. Mainly because the first road that I went on, the big road, is Highway 52, and a lot of big trucks travel that road, and there was a lot of ruts and places where the concrete, or not concrete, but the asphalt had bunched up. You'll see when I load the video, there's a couple places where I jumped the bike. I mean, literally, the wheels went, and I mean, I was like, oh, you know, a little scary to do when you're traveling down the road on a motorcycle. Not exactly the freedom that people express when they talk about hitting the open road. You don't want to have the freedom of leaving the ground, you know, unless you're into that. I guess there's some folks out there that are big time into, you know, hey, let's go ride, and then they go dirt riding. You know, that's, then you expect to jump. What I was doing, I was not wanting to jump, so it was a bit of a surprise. Surprise! So, anywho, I'm home, safe and sound.